Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there was a magical garden known as Enchantia. This garden was no ordinary place. It was alive with wonders beyond imagination. Flowers danced in the breeze, trees whispered secrets, and animals spoke in gentle voices. In the heart of Enchantia stood a majestic oak tree, its branches reaching high into the sky, casting a protective canopy over the garden. In this enchanting garden lived two siblings, Tommy and Sarah. They were inseparable, spending their days exploring every nook and cranny of Enchantia. Tommy was a brave and adventurous boy, always eager to discover new mysteries, while Sarah was gentle and kind, with a love for all living things. One sunny morning, as Tommy and Sarah set out on their daily adventure, they stumbled upon a hidden path leading deeper into the garden. Excited by the prospect of new discoveries, they followed the winding trail until they reached a clearing filled with vibrant flowers of every color imaginable. "Wow, look at all the flowers!" exclaimed Tommy, his eyes wide with wonder. Sarah smiled and reached out to touch a delicate blossom. "They're so beautiful," she whispered. As they marveled at the flowers, a soft voice spoke from behind them. "Welcome, young travelers, to the magic garden of Enchantia." Tommy and Sarah turned around to see a wise old tortoise sitting at the edge of the clearing, its shell adorned with intricate patterns. "Are you a talking tortoise?" asked Tommy, his curiosity piqued. The tortoise chuckled softly. "Indeed I am, young lad. My name is Tobias, and I am the guardian of this magical garden." Tommy and Sarah introduced themselves and eagerly asked Tobias about the garden. "This garden is a place of wonders," explained Tobias. "It is filled with magic and mystery, and only those with pure hearts can truly appreciate its beauty." Excited by the prospect of exploring the magic garden further, Tommy and Sarah asked Tobias if he could show them around. "Of course, my young friends," replied Tobias with a twinkle in his eye. "But first, you must promise to respect and protect this garden and all who dwell within." Tommy and Sarah nodded eagerly, promising to be good stewards of the magic garden. And so, with Tobias as their guide, Tommy and Sarah embarked on a grand adventure through Enchantia. They frolicked among fields of daisies, danced with butterflies, and climbed trees that reached for the sky. Along the way, they encountered all manner of creatures, from wise old owls to mischievous squirrels, each with their own unique stories to tell. As the day wore on, Tommy and Sarah found themselves at the edge of a sparkling pond, its waters shimmering in the sunlight. "This is the heart of Enchantia," explained Tobias, "the source of all magic in this garden." Fascinated by the pond, Tommy leaned in closer, his reflection rippling on the surface. Suddenly, a soft voice echoed from the depths of the pond. "Welcome, children of the earth, to the heart of Enchantia." Startled, Tommy and Sarah looked around, but saw no one. "It is I, the spirit of the pond," continued the voice. "I have watched over this garden since time immemorial, and I sense a great power within you both." Tommy and Sarah exchanged puzzled glances, unsure of what the spirit of the pond meant. "You possess the power of imagination and wonder," explained the spirit. "With your pure hearts and boundless creativity, you have the ability to unlock the true magic of Enchantia." Excited by the prospect of tapping into their inner magic, Tommy and Sarah listened intently. As the spirit of the pond shared its wisdom, they learned that magic was not just about casting spells or performing tricks. It was about seeing the world with open eyes and open hearts, embracing the beauty and wonder that surrounded them. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the magic garden, Tommy and Sarah bid farewell to Tobias and the spirit of the pond. They knew that their adventure was far from over, but they also knew that they carried a piece of Enchantia with them wherever they went, in their hearts and in their imaginations. And so, hand in hand, Tommy and Sarah ventured forth into the world, ready to share the magic of Enchantia with all who crossed their path. For in the end, they knew that the greatest magic of all was the magic of friendship, love, and the boundless possibilities of the human spirit. As they journeyed on, they encountered new challenges and made new friends, each experience adding to the tapestry of their adventure. They traversed mountains, crossed rivers, and explored forests, never losing sight of the magic that resided within them. Along the way, they encountered a group of lost animals, a rabbit, a fox, and a squirrel, each in need of help finding their way home. With their newfound friends in tow, Tommy and Sarah embarked on a quest to reunite the animals with their families, using their wits and their hearts to overcome obstacles along the way. Through their journey, Tommy and Sarah learned valuable lessons about courage, kindness, and the importance of helping others. They discovered that true magic lies not in spells or potions, but in the bonds we share with one another and the wonders. Finally, after many trials and tribulations, Tommy and Sarah returned to Enchantia, their hearts full of memories and their spirits renewed as they stood beneath the canopy of the majestic oak tree. They knew that their adventure was far from over, for in the magic garden of Enchantia, the possibilities were endless and the wonders never ceased. And so, dear listener, as you embark on your own journey through life, remember the magic that resides within you. Keep your heart open to new experiences and never lose sight of the wonders that surround you, for in the end, it is our capacity for love, kindness, and imagination that truly makes us magical. This concludes our tale for today. Until next time, may the magic of Enchantia guide you on your journey. Farewell, and may your dreams be as enchanting as the magic garden itself.